Okay, so we're gonna do analyze on gold market as we looking at the very high price right now, because every trade is confusing. Two reasons: because we have a huge gap. We're looking for a weekly time frame. As usually we start with the weekly trend because the week is finished and the gold has made new high, which is 26.22 right now. The gold price is closing. So what could possible coming next week starting from tomorrow? So today is 22 September and we're gonna analyze for the gold market. So what we do, as usually, we measure our the support level and resistance level. Okay, so we're gonna look back first the previous to previous of our resistance level now, and we're gonna measure to put this resistance once, second, three, four. Okay, so the labels is perfectly here. Okay, so we look for to understand what marker was doing. As we know, this is this level of resistance 2093. It been very strong resistance once, twice, and three, and fourth time it break above the liquidity and price continuation here. So we got two things to be noticed here. Once the price make liquidity reverse and break above this high with bullish candle on a weekly time frame, so we know that the price will go up. Okay, but when the price breaks, we have the order block this area, price never return this price 20, you can call 21 around 2093. So this is two price which has order block, price never return. So what could happen in the future? In my opinion, price can range back to recover this whole area once here, if not here, at least here. The huge gap is here, 2192 or 2200. This area is possibly price can return very fast. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. What we can see, as we have on a weekly time frame, we check with our resistance support levels. Now look at on a daily time frame. In a daily time frame, I think we do not have any much. As we look at the previous high 25, actually it was 26 here, 2600. It's really blew up last Friday straight up till morning when the market opened. Also, we know this previous high 2531 also has taken with the bullish candle, beautiful pullback on the breaking zone. That's a good retest. Once we cancel this and we put this our support level right here, so we do understand breaking this previous high with the bullish candle on a daily time frame, price continuation above. So usually what we do wait to pull back before we enter the price. Made a breakout high, higher low, then higher high. This is two combined trigger trade when the trading has been take with the rules and with discipline. So this is what it happened here. All-time high, breaking the price, creating new high. This is we call patience and waiting for a pullback. Usually we look for this area with the bottom with the leg where we call order block, right? But price didn't come here. It just came nearby the breakup structure we call also in this situation. If we look at this area, higher and low, okay, we can give a name BOS, breakup structure, cancel this. You can see this breakup structure is clearly taken, and the next price came down. This is the high. Price came to retest and made new high above this. So now once we have new high, what we are looking for, right? That's a simple question. So we need to go back to a lower time frame where we look at the 4-hour chart frame and the 1-hour time frame. I've been telling people that if you do day trading with a 5-minute or 1 minute or 15 minutes, that's okay, but the higher time frame is always been effective because we're looking for the long range, okay, not 10 to 20 pips. We're looking for bigger movement. If you look at always doing a day trading while doing this small range area, I suggest you should not be trading. Why? Because these are the range, and with the range you may lose money with the emotions, you know. Once we have this range area here, price is always in the range, so wait for the breakout. The discipline breakout made a new high here, and now you need to wait for to pull back, which is this one, or you can call this, you can say bullish flag pattern also, you understand. High is in a range, break. So this is what we call, if it's a lower price, high, higher low, and then it's called higher high. Okay, that's what it rules, and with the discipline trading. So I'm gonna go back and okay, so we look for here what we can do in a 4-hour. So we look for the breakout zone. Now 4-hour we have this, the higher price here. So this price we can name it for ourselves. We call support area, or maybe you can call when it was a resistant. It's a new resistance actually, because the prices keep jumping up new high and high. So this is new resistance, but this resistance was been broken, so you can name it to RBS, resistance becomes support, or you can call just simply resistant. Sorry. Resistance. You can call it resistance. Now, I'm sorry, this is not resistance, my bad. You can call this is support, okay? I'm sorry. Support, okay. This is also support, and down there we can name this all. These are all support now. 1, 2, 3 support. You can support this. So now what we have is resistance is only this place. It doesn't look really resistant to me because we don't know tomorrow when market open, it's gonna fly straight up with 200, 300, 400 pip, because nobody knows that. So with the rules, with technical, what we are looking for here, we got range of this price. If from here to here, this range is 1400, you can see that 1400 pips, this range area. So each 1400, maybe 300 each, we have this area multiple by 3 zones, or 4 zones multiplied by 300, so that's 1400 zone area. If we want to buy, the question is we want to buy, continue, or we want to sell. So two things is normally we understand as a trader when we start trading: buy lower or sell higher. So you can know that the price is really high without or with reason. We never know, because the fundamental also being gambled. If the USD fundamental is new strong, it's supposed to be fall, but it's keep rising, okay? Because we don't know. Even the Fed rate also was minus 50%, but still gold is just pumping up all the way up, okay? So let's look for Monday what we are looking for. This time is really difficult to have a decision on a gold. We're looking at 4-hour chart, so we're gonna do the trend lines here. Maybe a trend line doesn't mean to be work. I think we look at this range of trend line in a 4-hour. It's hard to. Let's have a different trend line. If there's an inner somewhere, for example, let's take this trend line, okay? That looks good to me and perfect, I think. So if we look at this trend line to upper trend line as a resistance, and okay, for example, let's go back to daily time frame. First of all, if we missing the trend line on a higher time frame, we need to check every time frame. We could, trust me, because there's time frame that will give you the opportunity to be more benefit into trading. So I think you should look at all the time frame. From my opinion, I always look at the time frame with higher time frame to lower time frame actually. So still, this is daily, and I don't see much clear at the trend lines here. I think maybe this is so far so good to me, and I'm gonna jump back to 4-hour, I think. Okay, so daily time frame, we got the trend line, and this one is 4-hour. Little bit zoom. Okay, just little squeeze, and now we need to understand what's going on in this trend line. Low, high, 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 low, high, high, range, high, 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 low. Okay, this perfectly, this area has been taken and has been retested, this higher level. So once again we got higher high. Okay, that's clear, right? Pretty simple to understand, because when the high trend is going up, every market will continue higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then stay into the range, and either it's decided want to break the support level or to break the resistance upward. The resistance breaking above, it need to be retested, breaking zone, a breakup structure to continue make more high price level and breaking the previous higher. Okay, so let's go clear up this, and remaining question is still there, what we are looking for, right? I know everybody must be thinking what we do Monday, but also remember, every day we don't have to trade. We don't have a trade every day. Need to be remembered. Trust me, I'm not. You don't need to trade every day, because every day we don't have a trade. And second opinion, my best opinion is, if you want to trade like on a daily basis, you need to look for a higher time frame, not the smaller time frame. Okay, so okay, what are we looking for? I'm gonna zoom a little bit, and this one is still 4-hour time frame. Look, my opinion, this is the trend line. Price can go higher, more higher, maybe break this time a little bit up. A price can go down more higher, then fall down to continuation, come back to the support level. This could be happen, but nobody know 100% the prediction of the goal. For in that opinion, as a technical, I suggest if this is resistant and tomorrow price go higher, I think I'm gonna sell back, get out, put your stop loss next to your entry level, take out, get out from the market with 80% of your profit. If price come back, you don't harm. If price continue, why? Because this is the support level. First, resistance, retest, because breaking this resistance, retest, breaking a new resistance, creating new high. This area, I'm sorry. So once again, it's simple. Let me finish in 5 minutes now. Okay, for example, we have a range area here in this price. You see many times small ramp. It's pretty easy to understand. I think if you want to take my mentorship, it will be very profitable. If you've been losing money over $1,000, you must get learn. Really, I'm not giving everything is here, but it's almost there. So pay attention really. So this, when it's happened, price break right there, right here. You see price break here. Every resistance once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And this one clearly bullish candle has taken over. So it's continuation. Bam. Created a new resistance on 25.90. What happened? Price came down to retest breaking zone. Well, it doesn't look like in the same way it comes in the same place, but its reversal means it has reversal means retest. Okay, once it's retested, this is the place where we enter. This is the place where I give it a signal on my community Telegram channel where I say buy, and you can do whatever you want. You can close, you can hold. It's all up to you. Okay, yes. Once it happened, create a high, low, and then it's breaking above, create a new higher high here. Okay, for example, higher high, give it a name, new higher high. So we do have now this breaking of structure, the previous resistance. So previous resistance becomes support, or you can call as RBS. Sorry, resistance becomes support, RBS. This is the price what we are looking for. If price come back here, we look for entry. But remember, once we enter, we need to in mind that we need to look for liquidity. Price can go back a little bit and push down more below this range area to trap people for selling. Because when you see this zone has been breaking with a smaller time frame, people really want to when it's come back, wanted to sell. But that's a trap, because liquidity will put you in a trap. So price can go more higher and then can fly. Understand? This could happen. So this is one. Or second, if, as I said before, if morning price didn't come back little bit and go higher, I want to sell high and then wait price to come back down to retest around this area. Even if 50, 40, 100 pips, I want to get out. So this is 2 plans I have. Okay, once sell higher, if price come back to support level, I want to buy with the liquidity. If there's a fake breakout, price comes down, go up, break below, enter here. We need to enter here, right there, to buy, go higher on the same position. Maybe if Asian session is selling it, we buy on a London session. Okay, so I hope this video will help you and simple understanding, I guess. And personally, if you want to make a trade profitable, the important thing is you must have a good broker. And the broker I use is the VtMarket, which has a gold only 1 pip spread. So I recommend it to everybody. You can find a link in the description also. Join my Telegram also if you don't know how to do it. You can personally follow me on Instagram. You ask me, I'm free on a weekend, I can help you out. Make your good broker account on with my affiliate. You can join my Telegram premium VIP free of charge. There's no fee, no money, nothing. Okay, thank you and have a good day.